Hi guys, I'm Kritika. Welcome back to my channel. As promised, Shopping with Kritika is back with another episode. हमने सीरीज बुला ली अगर आपको पता नहीं है तो because I love shopping, you guys know that. मैंने राखी वाली वीडियो करी थी और उसमें मैंने एक ब्रांड बताया था रस्ट ऑरेंज एंड मेरे पास दो और ब्रांड्स हैं तो मिला के हो गए तीन ब्रांड्स. आई एम गोइंग टू रिव्यू देम एंड टेल यू गाइज हाउ आई लाइक द प्रोडक्ट. जेन्युइन रिव्यू. दिस इज नॉट स्पॉन्सर्ड एंड आई होप you guys enjoy this video. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it right away and like this video after watching it if you like it, only if you like it. Also, let's talk about this neck piece. I love it so much. I got this from a store called Amama Loves. Really pretty. I love it so much and I have this special place in my heart for silver jewelry. I've done loads of videos on that. Go watch it if you haven't already. I'll keep it in the description box below. Without any further ado, say it with me kids. Let's get into the video. First we are going to talk about Rust Orange and then we'll talk about Sadgi, which is a brand on Myntra, and last but not the least we will talk about Imfu, I Am For You on Myntra. So we'll start with the best product and उसके बाद हम least favorite पे जाएंगे. This piece that you see here, I love the color, is for 1600 rupees. Guys, I'm very smart. I forgot the chutney now. So I'll keep a picture here so that you guys have a better idea. But this is how it looks. I think this is one of my favorite pieces from the entire collection. And I love the color, love how vibrant, young and fun this is. For 1600 rupees, I think this is affordable and the quality is not too good. It's not too bad. मतलब थोड़े washes में जाके ख़राब हो जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक बार आप डालोगे तभी ख़राब हो जाएगा. अगर किसी को ज़्यादा इन्वेस्ट करना पसंद नहीं है क्लोथ्स में एंड ज़्यादा पैसे वेस्ट करना पसंद नहीं है, I think this is really good. Love the color, love the piece. Okay, so next up we have this set, this black set and इस पे print हुआ हुआ है. I don't really love the quality and I don't love the set as well. Like it's very basic and I think you can easily find it anywhere else too. मतलब इसकी quality मुझे orange वाले से थोड़ी सी different लग रही है. Not feeling it. I'm not feeling this outfit ज़्यादा. Then we have one more set. ये black कुर्ती है जिस पे gold foil printing हुई है यहाँ पर and इसके साथ we have this maroon ghagra. So this entire set is for 1400 rupees, which is not bad and the quality is also okayish, better than the previous one. I love the quality of the kurta and ghagra ki quality is okayish. Okay, so next up we have this ghagra set and I actually love this one and the orange one the most. It'll go really well with most of my outfits and the color is also really pretty and the quality is also not that bad. Yeah, that's that. No, we have one more piece. So this is a very pretty kurta and this was for 799, not bad and I love the color and इस पे throughout ऐसे dots बने हुए हैं यहाँ motif है और इसको धोती pants के साथ भी डाल सकते हैं. You can easily wear it with jeans also, ghagra also. Love the color. I think it's very bright and summery, really nice for summers. That's about it. Rust Orange का review in a nutshell. I think for price point the quality is decent. अगर आपको ज़्यादा invest नहीं करना, I'm saying it again, you can get clothes from here if you are a college student and up on a budget. Oh, I think this is your place to go and shop Indian wear from or fusion pieces from. And यहाँ से आप एक set लेके डिफरेंट घाघरा और नीचे स्विच कर सकते हो. काफ़ी डिफरेंट आउटफिट ऑप्शंस बना सकते हो. फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव दिस कुर्ता एंड द ऑरेंज आउटफिट दैट आई शोड यू इन द स्टार्ट. लव बोथ द पीसेस. That's about it. Next up we have this brand that I'm wearing right now, Sadgi. They are on Myntra and the price point is decent enough. But I love this kurta. ये डबल लेयर कुर्ता है. ऊपर चिकनकारी है, नीचे घाघरा स्टाइल लेयर है. लव इट. मैंने तो इसको ऐसे ही आज स्टाइल करा था विद एंकलेट्स एंड जुत्तीज एंड मैंने नीचे कुछ पजामी और धोती कुछ भी नहीं डाला था. आई केप्ट इट लाइक दिस ओनली बिकॉज इट्स वेरी लॉन्ग. आई लव द क्वालिटी ऑल्सो. I think it's more expensive than Rust Orange, but you can find affordable pieces as well. For example, I can see a white kurta here, which is for 899 rupees, and I love chicken curry. I don't know, I'm obsessed with chicken curry these days. इसमें mostly जो kurtas वगैरह सादा तो chicken curry और basic kurtas है. I love it. Okay, so next up we have this brand called I Am For You, short form Imfu. This is a brand on Myntra and they have amazing pieces. So they have amazing kurtas, tie and dye kurta, So you can go and check out the collection on Myntra. आजकल मुझे अनारकलीज का बहुत क्रेज चढ़ा हुआ है and I'm obsessed with it right now. When I tried it on, मुझे ऐसे bust area से थोड़ा सा tight लगा था. The measurements were थोड़ा सा off, but all in all I love the kurta. And then यहाँ पर नीचे silver गोटा पत्ती लगी हुई है. I love this kurta and मुझे ऐसे लगता है when you buy a basic kurta, although वो basic होता है but आप उसको different jewelry के साथ layer कर सकते हो. For example, if I'm wearing this right now, अगर मुझे थोड़ा सा इसको और amp up करना है, I can simply just wear a choker or big statement earring. There's a lot you can do. So I posted this video on my Instagram. Go check it out. It's that Boho Girl. If you aren't following me there, go follow. I posted a video where I show you guys how I style my anarkali and giving you outfit ideas for Rakhi as well.
आँखियों से होना कभी दूर ना, मैं तेरे बिन नहीं लगता दिल मेरा टोलना है, वो तेरे बिन नहीं लगता दिल मेरा टोलना, सब छड़ जावे पर ना माही छोड़ना है, वो तेरे बिन नहीं लगता दिल मेरा टोलना। सखियां ने मैनू मैंने मारतियां, बुड्ढियां ने चन्ना गल्लां प्यार दियां, शाम तो किते किदे नाल होना आ, देखिया मैं फोटोआं बेकार दियां, मैनू डर जिहा लगदा।
And that's about it. Showed you guys 3 brands. Let me know how you like it. If I have to pick one brand for myself, I'll pick Sadhgi because मैं यहाँ से बहुत बार order कर चुकी हूँ and I've loved the pieces. Next, I think I'll go with I Am For You, and last but not the least, Rust Orange. So let me know if you find this helpful and let me know if you want me to review other stores, and yeah, that's about it. Bye guys!